going to Pampanga. The check-in time is 7 a.m. We're staying in this luxurious villa located in Bacolor, Pampanga. The Granary Private Villas has a lot to offer. They have a massive pool, gazebo, pool table, 6 ensuite bedrooms, full kitchen, and lots of sleeping spaces. This is the main villa, and as you can see, it is so beautiful. It has 2 floors and 5 ensuite bedrooms with full glass windows. So first is the living room. They have a TV on the wall and a big sofa that can sit a lot of people. You can see the greenery on one side and the pool on the other. Now we have the dining room. The dining table can sit up to 12 people, which is great if you have a big family. I'm so in love with the open concept, and this one right here is one of my favorite spots around the house. Next is the kitchen. They have all the appliances you need for hassle-free cooking, so you don't need to worry. They also have a complete set of utensils, plates, silverware, and glasses. Next, let's go to the outdoor kitchen. They have a grill and a brick oven, a massive metal swing, and a pool table. We baked the lasagna inside the brick oven and it turned out so good. It had this smoky flavor that we all loved. Now, do you love reading books? I'm sure you'll love this spot. There's a small reading nook below the stairs where you can read all the books that you want. Now that we're done touring the first floor, let's go to the second floor. As I mentioned earlier, there are 4 bedrooms on the second floor. They also have a gazebo that has an ensuite bedroom and a kitchenette.